Exercise 1 of Section 1 in the Data Unit. Open Microsoft Excel. You can click on a specific cell to enter data, or you can move from cell to cell using your arrow keys. I've entered all the data for this table. Now we'll format it. The column headings may contain more text than the cells can hold. If you notice, the Y of electricity is cut off. We can change the size of a column. If you place the cursor on the line between two adjacent columns in the column headings bar at the top of the spreadsheet, you can change the width. You notice the cursor changed appearance, and I can click and drag, or in this next column, natural gas isn't showing entirely. So if I place my cursor in between C and D and I double click on the line between the two columns, the column to the left will automatically size to fit the cell in that column with the most text. I'll do the same thing with this next column. Fuel oil is cut off, double click, and it automatically sizes to fit the cell in that column with the most text. We can also use the same procedure to resize rows. The title in the cell A2 spills out into the adjacent cells. We don't want to change the width of the whole column, rather just make the title look better. So I'm going to click cell A2, but I'm going to drag and highlight all the way across the top of the table. Under the alignment section, I'm going to click on the Merge and Center button, which takes the text and puts it in the center. While it's selected, I'm also going to click on the bold button found in the font section. Next, I'm going to click and drag the column headings. I'm going to bold and center them, and the center is found under the alignment section. The row titles, I'm going to do the same with them, bold and center. I'd like the percentages to be in the center of each column, so I'm going to click and drag diagonally from B4 to F6, and we'll click the center button in the alignment section. Last, I'm going to highlight the entire table, A2 to F6, by clicking and dragging. And in the font section, under the Borders button, I'll go down to All Borders to highlight the table with a box around each one of the cells.